Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Welcome.
Who are Māori? We're Māori.
Māori are the indigenous people of Aotearoa.
We are tangata whenua, which means we are the people of the land.
Which guides our connection to Papatūānuku, our Mother Earth.
The natural world guides us in everything we do.
It drives us to make a difference in the world.
Our tupuna, our ancestors, traversed the great Pacific Ocean with fearlessness.
The way they made it here required science, technology, innovation, astronomy, astrology.
We are voyagers, navigators, innovators, and also educators.
We've always been people that want to find the next horizon.
And this requires a high level of curiosity.
We had to be creative, and we bring that through into our businesses.
Māori are driven by entrepreneurship, by breaking ground on how to do things differently.
Innovation is about new ways of solving problems, and Māori are expert at solving problems.
And we are ambitious and bold. We think outside the box and then just get on with it.
We're very sort of push the boundary type people.
When engaging with Māori, you can expect to connect and bond over shared values.
And we apply the principle of manaakitanga.
For Māori, that is the most important thing, is to host people, to look after people.
Kanohi ki kanohi, face to face. That's the specialty of Māori.
The way we live and work is informed by our indigenous Māori culture and values.
As Māori, we don't look for customers, we look for partners.
It's not just a handshake deal, it's a partnership built on trust.
It's about a connection and a relationship that's far deeper than just business.
Doing business with Māori is just absolutely wonderful. It's respect and trust-based first.
Where we are always looking to find our connection.
We have a duty of care to our people and to our place and to our business partners.
This is about what we can do today to make a positive change for our future.
And that comes from a word in Māori we call kaitiakitanga.
Which is good for business, good for Aotearoa, and good for the world.
The Māori are putting well-being at the heart of what it means to be creating a prosperous nation.
We intend to have intergenerational relationships.
We don't have a 5-year plan. We have a 500-year plan.
It's not just about bottom line, but it's about that connection and reciprocity.
It's about how you can do something special and help your people.
It's about wanting to leave a positive legacy. The Māori economy is dynamic.
Māori are great at agribusiness, but that's just the tip of the iceberg.
There are new opportunities in property, investment, scientific research.
In gaming, technology, film.
It is exciting, it's invigorating, it's about we and not I.
We offer a unique perspective to the world.
That's what makes us special and different from every other country.
As long as this country stands up, Māori will stand with it.
Neke neke mai, no mai ki te ao Māori. Welcome, come and join us, meet us.